Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about context managers. Context managers in Python streamline resource management and guarantee cleanup activities by working hand in hand with the with statement. By employing context managers, developers can automate the initiation and termination of resources effortlessly. This strategy curtails redundant code and guarantees efficient resource handling. For instance, when working with files, a context manager can be utilized to automatically close the file after operations are completed, saving the programmer from having to explicitly close the file each time. A context manager in Python is implemented using the with statement, followed by a context manager object. This object must define the enter and exit methods. The enter method is executed upon entering the with block, setting up necessary resources or states, while the exit method is triggered upon exiting the block, performing cleanup tasks like closing files or releasing locks. For instance, in file handling, a context manager can be used to ensure that the file is properly closed after operations are performed. By utilizing a context manager, the file will automatically be closed upon exiting the with block, regardless of any exceptions that occur during execution. This guarantees proper resource management and prevents potential memory leaks or file handle issues. A common application of context managers is file handling. By utilizing a context manager, like with open, the file is automatically closed after the block's execution. This ensures proper resource management. For instance, when processing a large log file, keeping the file open unnecessarily can lead to resource wastage. By employing a context manager, the file will be closed promptly after it has been read, promoting efficient resource usage. Analogy: using a context manager is like hiring a personal assistant to handle all your tasks and responsibilities for a specific time frame. Real-world example: imagine you have a busy week of meetings and appointments coming up, so you decide to hire a personal assistant to help you stay organized and on top of things. Program example: in a Python program, you can use a context manager like with openfile.txt_r as f to automatically open and close a file without having to manually handle the file operations. Hey, code conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. In the given code snippet, a context manager is utilized to handle file operations efficiently. The concept of context managers can be likened to hiring a personal assistant who takes care of specific tasks for a designated period. In this scenario, the context manager is instantiated using the with open file path r as file syntax. This setup ensures that the file is automatically opened and properly closed once the block of code within the with statement is executed, relieving the programmer of the need to manually handle these operations. The file path variable is defined to store the path of the file example.txt that needs to be read. Within the context manager block, the file is opened in read mode R, and its contents are read using the read method, which are then stored in the file contents variable. Finally, the contents of the file are printed to the console using print file contents. The beauty of context managers is exemplified here, as the file will be automatically closed once the block of code inside the with statement is completed, ensuring proper resource management. In real-world applications, context managers are invaluable for scenarios where resources need to be efficiently managed, such as file handling, database connections, or network connections. By using context managers, developers can streamline their code, enhance readability, and avoid common pitfalls like resource leaks. One industrial example of using context managers is in database connections. When you connect to a database, you need to open a connection, perform your operations, and then close the connection. Context managers can be used to ensure that the database connection is properly closed after you finish your operations, preventing any resource leaks. Another practical application of context managers is in handling locks in multi-threaded programs. When multiple threads are accessing shared resources, you need to ensure that only one thread can access the resource at a time to prevent data corruption or race conditions. Context managers can help acquire and release locks around critical sections of code, ensuring the proper synchronization of data access. Across the globe, context managers provide a convenient and efficient way to manage resources and ensure proper cleanup in various industrial and real-world applications. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.